So hi guys.
Hi guys.
Where are we going?
Valley Lake.
Yeah, we're going to Valley Lake, guys. The weather is being so nice today. So
girlfriend. You have one? No, I don't have one.
do you have girlfriend? They're talking about girlfriends. My God. Hoy, hindi pa pwede. So yun, magka-catch up ako sa mga aking kaibigan. I haven't seen them for like 6 months.
Even
Some of, yes.
I've not seen Dion yet.
Oh, yung iba siguro 2 years. Mga 5 lang naman sila doon. So yun, magka-catch up lang kami. Kasama yung mga anak din nila. So yeah, see you later guys. Time check is 11:41. Yep. Say see ya.
See ya. Dia guys. Mommy.
Yes.
I have.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop Havana Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Why on the weekends? Oh, Mom, is Dion's school weekends now?
It's also holiday, Kuya, all of you.
All the schools are holidays.
Yeah, for 2 weeks.
And Dion. Does Sandra still have school? Who
Yeah.
told that? Who told that?
I don't know.
Dion.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too.
Yeah.
We didn't eat there. No. Mom, can we eat
Are they
there?
here?
Huh? Oh, Mom. No, it's not. It's not a playground.
Yeah, not this one, the other one. But I'm just showing the Valley Lake.
Are we doing the party? Are we doing a party? Can we turn around now?
Ito guys yung Valley Lake. Pero pupunta kami sa kabila. So dito kami pupunta sa kabila kung saan merong playground.
Hello?
Para ma-enjoy yung mga
There it
bata.
is. That's the toilet. I told ya.
Yeah.
The ice cream man.
Is it here?
Yes, the ice cream man coming here. Look, there are wings. Mom, there is a playground on this one. This is why? Oh, Mom, I really want it is ballet.
Yeah.
No, I told you the playground.
I know.
Your playground,
We have to
TJ.
find a parking lot first. So we're here.
At the playground. We like playground.
I know you do. Look at Holly. Holly's asleep. Don't wake her up yet, Zach. Wait. So, dito na kami, guys.
Little wake.
Oh, you wake her up. Oh.
No,
She went
I
back
just
to sleep.
just Holly, then he wake up. Okay, just
Okay, just wait. Okay.
Holly, no,
Can you see Dion? Tita Christine?
no.
Wait a sec, okay? Saan kaya sila?
We don't hold no. Yeah, we are. No.
Kumusta, Day?
Okay lang, ikaw kumusta?
Ito. Uwi kayo ng Pinas?
Dili.
Hindi.
Walang
Sus, kung kuan pagid ka, duol pagid ka, day. Kuan pa ka nang malapit ka lang dito.
Oo.
Uy, anang bibok. Masaya kami sa ano,
Diyan sa ano?
magkanta-kanta kami sa Ilocayla, Arnie.
Oo nga. Sabi nga.
Layo mo sa live.
Layo ko eh. Nasaan ako? Nasaan yung mga bata? Andun sila. Andun na sila. Naglalaro. Ano sa? Kamusta work?
Okay lang. Work ako ngayon.
May work ka ngayon, hapon? Ikaw, Lord, wala?
wala. Tomorrow pa.
Tomorrow pa.
Kumusta ka na, Chon?
Eto, beef. Eto, may donut daw ka. Donut. Donut. Touch. Gusto na ko eh. Ay, do.
Nga,
Wow.
bano ka?
Nakita niya ako. Nakita niya ako. Ngay.
Aw, so cute.
Nakita niya ako.
How old?
One. Kawan yun lang. Pero hindi ako naganda.
It's so cute. She's so... Oo, no, realistically, hindi ka naman talaga dapat maghanda pag 1 to 3 years. So, kasi hindi nila mag-remember ba, no?
Ginawa ko lang siya ng parang dinecorate ko lang yung room na pink. Parang siya lang tapos mga magkakapatid. Sila
Oo.
lang tatlo.
Oo. Mas maganda mag-celebrate pag 5.
Anong lulutuin mo? Ha? Ano? Anong ginagawa mo?
Mag-ano?
Kaya nga, pero anong ginagawa mo?
Nagpailaw.
Yung apoy, hindi
Hindi yung mag-apoy.
Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Bicol po.
Ah, Bicol, taga Bicol. Bicolana ka pala.
Opo.
Uy, init na.
O, init na. Init
Magluto si Manayo.
na kayo, pwede na. Boy, pwede na. Init na kayo. Oo. Okay. Very good kay Christine Babrad.
Very good, very good. Ako pa. Magluto siya ng ano. Ano to? Sausages.
Wala nakakarota lahat?
Pansit, tapos may barbecue, tapos ayan. Ayun si Holly. Holly! Hi! Hanapin ko yung mga bata. Ito sila sa loob.
We're coming in.
Okay. Did you ask your mom? Are they? No, not yet. Are you having fun now, Kuya? Where's Zachary? Where? Are you hungry? Kuya, gutom ka na? Not yet. Where's Zachary? I can't see Zachary.
I want to go down.
Where's he going?
I'm going down.
Where are you going now?
Are you hungry, Zach? Do you want to eat first?
I'm not hungry.
Hurry up, Zach! Ang ganda ng weather, guys, today. Ayaw pa rin nila kumain. Hindi pa sila gutom. Thank you. Uminit na.
Before siya mag-formit.
Ito yung
Para
kanina niya pa yun. Nisprayan niya na yan. Ayan. Paano mo malalaman na may apoy?
may apoy.
You look in here.
Ah, okay. Buti pa sa kanila maganda na ang puso.
Oh, yan ba? Hoping
Ano dito yung phone?
Ha?
Ay, sige yun.
Ano to? Longganisa? Ano to? Ate, sa Pinoy yan? Hindi dito yan.
Buti at nakabili ka. This one, it will easily be cooked because it doesn't have a skin. This one ba? This one ba?
Asaan si Holy Girl? Hi, baby! Hi! Hi!
Kung sa kotson.
Ha? Alis ka na? Okay, nice seeing you, ha? Mag-work na si Tito. Ano? Matapang po siya. Kasi ikakasal na siya. Baka maano ka.
Malapit na yung araw mo.
Malapit na ang araw ng bagong buhay ni Tin. Kaya ka parang pang ano,
Servings.
prank song nga.
Serving song.
Ang ganda ng weather today, no?
Oo, perfect.
Sana ganito na, dire-diretso na siya. I-check ulit yung mga boys. Kasi ayaw pa nilang kumain. Pangalawa ko nang balik to dito para tanungin kung gusto na nilang kumain. Saan na sila? Sinisipon pa ako, guys. Sorry. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng view dito. Dali tingnan mo. Can you push the arm? Okay, wait. Yeah. Zach, be careful. Kuya, are you having fun? Do you want to eat some first, boys? Okay. Ayaw pa nilang kumain. Gusto lang nilang maglaro ng maglaro. Hi, Ollie. Pa ba? Are you alright, Slack? Careful! Slack! Hold on, Zach, okay?
Mama.
Hmm?
Mom.
Yes?
Mom, what's that?
It's a donut. Go sit down, please. Sit
Is
down.
that yours, Dad? Where is it? I didn't make anything.
Do you want pancit?
No.
Yes, it's nice.
No. Mom, no.
TJ, you have to eat or we're going home.
Rice.
There's no rice.
Can I have one of this?
Yes?
Let me try.
Careful, huh?
I only tried this morning. Wait.
Good, isn't it?
Onion, ew. Pizza.
There's pizza there, too, Kuya.
I love pizza.
Yeah, sausage.
My mom make sausage. Mom, I want.
You want sausage?
Hold this one.
Baby, hold. Just hold. Oh, here.
So what you gonna say?
Hold it properly.
Zach, it's alright. Yeah, it's all. Yes, you can eat that one. Do you want sausage?
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? Is it good?
Mom, can I go with you?
No, no, no. You have to eat here. Eat here, teacher. Okay. Hmm? Tyron, sit down and eat, please. You can play later after you eat. Yeah, sit down here. Later. Eat your food first. So try this pancit, masarap. Come on, Papa. Ay, yeah. No, you can't. You can get one. Oh, you wanna try it?
That's a paper.
It's not a paper, it's a plastic. Come on. Wait, wait. Wait, Holly, please. Like it, Holly? Holly. Come on.
Where is your car, Mom? One more?
Hello, Tita. What's it, Tita? Oi! No, that's Mommy. Holly, here. Papa!
Maganda yung ano.
Kunin yung ano.
Oy, maganda yung
Weather. Very good nga eh. Tingnan mo yung car niya, oh. Holly!
halik.
Halik. Good girl.
Halik. Come on, halik. Ano na kayang nangyari sa akin? Balik.
Here, hey, Holly.
Madaot ba? Init rin. Okay lang madaot yan.
Look at this.
Pabayaan mo siya. I-open ang cake ba para ano siya, no?
Tingnan natin kung i-open yung cake.
We're done here. We're going home now. Did you have fun, boys?
Yes. And I'm hot.
And you're hot. Look at you. You're so madumi. So dirty, Zach. So yeah, I'm gonna close my vlog na. See you on our next vlog.
Yes.
Say see ya. Holly? Holly? Flying kiss? Flying kiss? Mwah. Good girl. Bye.
Although my heart is falling in two, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I'm bed sheets smell like you. Everything discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop Havana man under